So the topic is solution of linear equation. So what does it mean, the solution of the linear equations? So let us discuss that things.
You have seen that every linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. What can you say about the solution of a linear equation involving two variables? As there are two variables in the equation, a solution means a pair of values, one for x and one for y, which satisfy the given equation. Let us consider the equation 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Here x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 is a solution because when you substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 in the equation above, you find that 2x plus 3y equals to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 equals to 12. This solution is written as an ordered pair 3 and 2. First writing the value for x and then the value for y. Similarly, 0 and 4 is also a solution for the equation above.
So what we understand from this that for a linear equation, if we talk about the linear equation, so linear equation के बारे में it has a unique solution, right? Linear equation in one variable. So one variable means, let me explain this thing with the help of example to you. So if it is linear, linear means having only one linear equation in one variable. So linear means power 1 and one variable means 3. तो जैसे x की value 3 आएगी, so this is the linear equation. So if I write y equal to 6 like this, so the linear equation is having only the one solution, unique solution होता है. But if we talk about the two variables के लिए, two variables के लिए हमने एक example देखा, यहाँ पे एक equation इन्होंने लिखी हुई है 2x plus 3y equal to 12. इसमें हमने एक x की वैल्यू 3 और एक x की वैल्यू 2 पुट की. यहाँ पे देखिए x की वैल्यू 3 और 2 पुट करने के बाद we get 12 and this 12 is equal to right side. So ये satisfy कर रहा है. So we can say that this 3 2, ये 3, 2 is the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2 is the solution of this equation, right? इस equation को satisfy कर रहा है. So this is the solution of this equation, right? Now let's move forward. Similarly, if we put 0, 4 is a solution of the equation, so we need to check is 0, 4 is the solution of this equation or not. So let us check this 0, 4 is the solution. So put the value of 0, 4. Now to take the left hand side of this equation, 2x plus 3y. At the place of x put 0, x की जगह पे 0 रखिए और 3 की जगह पे y की जगह पे 4. So it's 0 plus 12 equal to 12. Yes, it's equal to RHS. So if this point, if the value of x and y satisfy that linear equation in two variable, so then we can say that that is the solution of the linear equation. अगर x की और y की वैल्यू उस linear equation में पुट करने के बाद उस linear equation को satisfy करती है. satisfy मतलब लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड के इक्वल आ जाती है. तो हम लोग बोलेंगे that value of x and y is the solution of linear equation. I hope this thing is little bit clear to you. Now let's look at this. Now let's discuss some more things in this. Then it will be more clear.
On the other hand, 1 and 4 is not a solution of 2x plus 3y equals to 12 because on putting x equals to 1 and y equals to 4, we get 2x plus 3y equals to 14, which is not 12. Note that 0 and 4 is a solution but not 4 and 0.
Now let me explain this. Note that if I put 0, 4, that is not the solution. अब हमने देखा solution क्या होता है and by this example we are looking at which is not the solution. तो अगर आप देखेंगे y को रखें आप 0 और 4, 1, 4 is not the solution of this because on putting x equal to 1, so 2x plus 3y coming out to 14. तो ये भी solution नहीं है क्योंकि 12 आना चाहिए राइट साइड के इक्वल, which is not 12. Note that 0, 4 is not a solution. Let me explain this with the help of example. Suppose LHS ले लेते हैं. LHS is 2x plus 3y. वो चेक करते हैं 0, 4. तो 0, 4 means x की वैल्यू क्या रखनी है 0, y को क्या रखना है 4. So it's 0 plus 12 is equal to 12. Yes, it's coming RHS. Is a solution? Yes, it's a solution. But if you check it for 4, 0, अगर आप 4, 0 के लिए चेक करेंगे LHS, so it's 2 into 4, x की जगह पे क्या रखेंगे 4 and 3 into 0. It's coming out to be 8. It's not equal to right hand side. It's not equal to 12. Right? So this is not the solution. 0, 4 is the solution and 4, 0 is not the solution of this equation. Right?
You have seen at least two solutions for 2x plus 3y equals 12, that is 3, 2 and 0, 4. Can you find any other solution? Do you agree that 6, 6, 6, 0 is another solution? Verify the same. In fact, we can get many solutions in the following way. Pick a value, pick a value of your choice for x. Say x equals 2. Then 2x plus 3x equals 12. Then the equation reduces to 4 plus 3y equals 12, which is linear equation in one variable. In solving this, you get y, that is 8 upon 3. So 4, 2, 8 by 3 is another solution of 2x plus 3y equals 12. Similarly, choosing x equals minus 1, you find that the equation becomes minus 10 plus 3y equals 12. This gives y equals to 22 upon 2. So, minus 5, 22 by 3 is another solution of 2x plus 3y equals 12. So, there is no end to different solution of a linear equation in two variables. That is, a linear equation in two variables has infinity many solutions.
Okay, so from this we can conclude that this is the last line is very important here. So linear equation के let me explain this thing what is written on the screen. Linear equation से कितने solutions possible हैं? Solutions we have already discussed. Solution means the value of x and the value of y which satisfy that equation. X और y की value जो equation को satisfy करे that thing is called as solution. और कितने सॉल्यूशंस आ सकते हैं लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल के? कितने सॉल्यूशन आ सकते हैं? इनफाइनाइट. इनफाइनाइट मींस अनकाउंटेबल सॉल्यूशंस. बहुत सॉल्यूशंस आ सकते हैं अनकाउंटेबल. जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल इन्होंने लिया था. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस एग्जांपल टू यू. इफ इट इज रिटन 2x plus 3y equal to 12, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 रिटर्न हियर. सो इन्होंने x की एक वैल्यू सपोज की थी यहाँ पे और x की वैल्यू सपोज की उन्होंने. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे इट इज रिटर्न हियर x की वैल्यू 2 सपोज की. x को अगर 2 लेंगे तो y की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू आ जाएगी, राइट? ऐसे ही उन्होंने फिर यहाँ पे इन डिफरेंट थिंग्स डिफरेंट सिनेरियो इसी को रिवर्स किया, राइट? सो x को अगर यहाँ पे 2 रख दूंगा तो y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. x को अगर 3 रख दूंगा तो y की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू आ जाएगी आफ्टर सोल्विंग इट. x को 4 रखूंगा तो y की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू आ जाएगी. सो इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज वी हैव, वी कैन पुट इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज ऑफ x. So we got infinite value of y. We get infinite value of y. So यहाँ पे कितने solutions होते हैं? This is the conclusion of this total examples here. What is written? Uncountable. So linear equation have how many solution? Infinite many solutions. Right? I hope is this thing clear to you? All.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So जैसे जैसे x की value रखते जाएंगे, we get the different value of y for that x.
Remark. Note that an easy way of getting a solution is to take x equals to 0 and get the corresponding value of y. Similarly, we can put y equals to 0 and obtain the corresponding value of x.
Yes. In this, let me explain this remark. इसमें given है कि easy way क्या होता है value find करने का, solution find करने का. Easy way होता है, suppose let me explain this with the help of example to you. Suppose एक equation लिखी हुई है 3x like this. तो इजी वे है कि हम लोग एक वैल्यू में सपोज करनी है सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए लेट करें x को 0. अगर आप x को 0 लेट करेंगे देन इट इज इजी टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. इफ दिस x इज 0 देन इट्स बिकम 3y इक्वल टू 12 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y इन दिस केस इज 4. सो जो करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू होती है x को 0 या y को 0 रखने से इजिली हम लोग सॉल्यूशंस को ऑब्टेन कर लेते हैं, राइट? सो दिस थिंग इज दे वांट टू एक्सप्लेन इन दिस रिमार्क. इफ y is 0 this thing is 0, then it become 2x equal to 12 and the value of x is 6, right? So generally जब हम लोग इसके क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और हम लोग इसको सॉल्यूशंस को फाइंड आउट करेंगे, so generally we use x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 to find out the solution. Why? Because it is an easy way of getting the solution, right? Now let's move forward.
So we can take
any variable as 0.
You can take anything, any number in your mind, except non-real numbers. यहाँ पे नहीं लेंगे हम लोग, केवल रियल नंबर्स लेंगे. You can take any number, you can infinite numbers we have, you can put any number, then you can get the corresponding value of y. It's your choice what number you want to do. You want to take.
And also, sir, we can take x and y both as 0. No?
You cannot take both, you cannot suppose both the values. You have to suppose only one value, either of x or y, and then you have to find the other value by using that by that equation. तो आप दोनों वैल्यू को लेट नहीं करना है, एक वैल्यू को आप लेट करेंगे और दूसरी वैल्यू से फाइंड करेंगे जो लीनियर इक्वेशन हमें गिवन होगी, तब वो सेटिस्फाई करेगी उसको.
सर मैं पूछ रहा था, जैसे आप ये बता रहे थे ना कि x को हमें सपोज करना है, तो मेरे को लगा कि हम y को सपोज.
Yes, it's your choice. You can suppose x also or you can suppose y also, but one at a time. आप y को भी सपोज कर सकते हैं, no problem. It's not necessary to suppose x always. So you can suppose y also, right? So let us try to understand this concept with the help of the questions. Then it will be more clear to you.